Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Jade and today I have a brand new video for you all. So today we're going to be doing a huge Colourpop haul. I love Colourpop. I've currently got, or I had, 2 products by them which I used all of the time. So I've been saving up to be able to do a huge haul and just top up on some goodies. I really want to show you what I got, so let's just get straight on with today's video. Please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. Without further ado, let's get started. As I mentioned before, I do have 2 products from Colourpop already. So I've got their Act Natural Defining Mascara and I also have one of their Build Your Own palettes. Both products I absolutely love. So I've been wanting to buy quite a big haul for them for a while, but with them being from America, you've got to pay the import duties, things like that. And it does take a week to arrive. So I thought when I place an order, I want to place quite a big one so I can get, you know, kind of get your money's worth of the shipping and things like that. Also, if you do spend over $60 on the website, you get free international shipping. So that is what we did. So I've got the box full of goodies here and we're going to go through them. What I decided to do was order the mystery box because I think it was like $49 and you get so many different products in there. I can't remember exactly how much worth it is, but I'll write it on screen for you guys so you can see. But I decided to get that because I thought I might as well do it now when I don't have many products by Colourpop, because I'm planning on buying more and more depending on whether I like them or not, which I'm sure I will. So I'm better off buying the mystery box now so I'm less likely to get duplicates and then buying other things later on. So I bought that, which was $49, and then to make it up to the $60, I ordered 3 other extra products. It was a little bit over $60, but I don't really mind. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm going to show you what I ordered myself first, and then I'm going to show you everything in the mystery box after. So first thing I've got is this palette quad. It is so cute. So this is what it looks like. So you get 4 different shades in here. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. So this is what it looks like and it looks so cute. So you get this matte brown, a nice nude, and then you also get 2 blue shimmers. I'm really excited to swatch them, so we're just gonna have a look now. Oh wow, they are so pretty. Okay, they are so pigmented. I've mainly got like pinks and purples from Colourpop, so that's why I went for the blue, because I just thought it was so cute. And it was on sale too, and I just could not resist that. I'm gonna have swatches absolutely everywhere after this video. So that was the first palette that I've got. Then I also decided to buy the Thanks a Bunch Super Shock Shadow Trio. I did have a quick look at this and unfortunately one of them has smashed, so I'll probably contact the brand about that. But it's not too bad at least. I'm going to see if I can try and fix it first. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what it looks like when we open it up. So I'm going to get the individual shadows out now. This was something like $6. It was crazily cheap. I couldn't believe how affordable it was. You can buy these for like $6 each anyway, so I thought $6 for 3, I just couldn't say no. So this is the first one, which is a beautiful kind of bronzy shade. It's stunning. I wanted to just try these for so long. And then this one's the similar but like more of a warm kind of tone. So gorgeous. And then this is the final one, which is the one that has smashed. However, it's not smashed too badly, so we might be able to fix that, even though some just fell off. We might be able to fix it. This one is more of a yellow tone, like more of a goldy one. So I like to have the 3 different ones there. I think they're so cute and I love the packaging as well. Super good for travelling. So that's what they look like. I absolutely love them. Then the final thing that I bought individually is actually a blush, and it's the Doozy Super Shock Cheek. And it's matte. It just looked so pretty. Like the shade just looks perfect. Love the packaging. And then when we actually open this up, this is what it looks like. And I thought this was going to be so much smaller. Like if you look at the actual shadows, like the shadows are smaller and these are bigger than I was expected anyway. So I thought this was going to be really tiny, but it's actually a really decent size. And when you open it up, there is a lot of products in there. I haven't swatched this yet because I've been waiting for this video. So let's have a look. Oh my god, that is so creamy. That is a beautiful shade. That is so pretty. Okay, that is definitely the perfect shade. I absolutely love that. I'm so excited to try it out. I'm trying to decide whether I include some of these in full face first impressions or whether we just do a full video testing out different products from my collection, because I'm just loving it so much so far. So now we're on to what we got in the mystery box. So as I said, we paid, I think it was $49 for the mystery box. Do I have the little receipt thing? I think it might say on this. Oh no, it doesn't. It just says what we bought. But yeah, $49 for the mystery box. And I got so many different things. I cannot believe it. So I'm going to start off with we're going to start off with some lip products because I'm actually wearing one today. This is the only product out of the whole box that I've actually tried so far, and it's a lip, and it is the perfect shade for me. So I have a lip cream by Kylie Cosmetics, and I think it's called Iconic Duo. It's from the Kendall collection. It is my favourite lip product on the entire planet. However, it is so expensive that I don't want to buy another one, but it's the reason it's my favourite. I love the formula, but not only that, I love the finish on my lip and I love the shade. This is a dupe for it. Like, this is so similar to it, so when I saw it in the packaging, I had to just try it out. So this is what it looks like, and it's one of the Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, and it's in the shade Just Imagine. So when you see it here, you see what I mean by the shade. It is just beautiful. The formula is amazing, and I'm just going to reapply just to show you what I mean. But the brush, like, it just applies so beautifully. Like, it just goes on so easily, and it literally just have a velvet finish like it says. I am honestly obsessed with it. So already it's been worth my money just for this one product. So I'll show you another lip product, which is also from the Luxe collection. This is another Luxe Velvet one, which is another liquid lipstick, and this is the shade. So it's a little bit darker, not something I'd normally go for, but I want to experiment with it. So this one is called Honey Pie. Let's open it up so we can see what the colour looks like a little bit better. Ooh, so the colour actually looks nicer in the bottle than it does on the packaging. So that's what that one looks like. It's quite similar to the other one. It's just got more of a darker kind of like pinky tint to it, so I love that. Okay, I'm actually getting so excited. So I have another one, but it's a Luxe Gloss, not a Luxe Velvet, and that is what the packaging looks like. And this is the colour, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Like a really nice corally kind of like nude, and it's called Eclectic, I think. So I've just taken it out of the packaging, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna see if we can try to see up close because it is so shimmery. I don't know if the camera's picking up on the shimmer, but it is absolutely unreal. It's got a different kind of doe on the end, but it is just so pretty. So again, it's a nude, but it's more of a shimmery kind of nude. It's a lot lighter toned, but it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna have the most gorgeous Colourpop collection soon. I'm so excited. So I do have 2 more lip products before I can move on to the rest of it. And trust me, I have a lot to be showing you all. So next we've got a Glossy Lip Stain. And sorry, but this packaging is absolutely unreal. So this is Fresh Kiss in the shade Sugar Snap, which again looks a beautiful nude shade. I really want to compare this to the others because it looks so pretty. Okay, this is what it looks like, and this actually looks quite similar to what I've got on now, maybe a little bit more, yeah, maybe a little less pink, a little bit more nude, which I just love it. I'm so excited about that. And then the final one we've got is from the So Glassy range, and again, packaging is super cute, and this is in the shade Newport. So let's have a look at it. When we open it up, let's get into it, and that is what it looks like. So it's very similar to this one. I think it's just a little bit more nude. I think the shade, this one's a little bit darker, a little bit more nude. This has got more of a pinky vibe to it. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to be able to try all these out. So that one is a lip gloss, and the other one is a Glossy Lip Stain. Also on this one, the packaging is super cute. It's got little flowers and like holographic prints. Love it. So I actually have these super cute little diamonds. So this is an individual crystal sheet. So cute. I love that. So crystal face jewels, and you get 81 crystals on there, which cannot go wrong. I'm going to show you the thing that I am the most excited for, because this is just beautiful. It actually matches a little bit one of the lip packages, but this is the palette, and it's the Play Jewel palette. I am obsessed with the packaging for this. I think it is unreal. Then when we take it out, this is what it looks like. So the actual name of it is imprinted on the front, and you can just feel it. It's like a 3D kind of effect, and I love that. It feels so classy. So we open this up, and this is what it looks like. Look at that colour story. So it's going to be a little bit more lightweight because it doesn't have a mirror, but if you look inside, look at the colour story. It has like everything. So you have some really stunning shimmers in here. I'm so excited to try these out. That feels super creamy. That looks so pretty. I'm so excited to be able to try them. That's the gold. I really want to try this blue. It's called Tiara. So, so pretty. It's got some gorgeous nudes up here, some really nice transition shades. These oranges and warm tones look gorgeous. Lovely blue down here. You've got some pinks, purples, some darker colours like maroon, some dark brown. I feel like you couldn't really ask for a lot more out of a palette like this. I think it is gorgeous. How many shades do you get? You get 3, 4, 5. You get 30 different shades in this palette. Some palettes you can buy, you know, £30 palettes will cost you like £40 as it is. You know, never mind getting all this for that much. So I do think it's an amazing deal. Like, I've just done the swatch on the back of my hand and they're so beautiful. So yeah, I'm obsessed with that. I really, really want to try it out. I just want to swatch a couple of the matte shades before we move on. Oh wow, the formula. It's blowing me away. That pink is gorgeous. I really want to do like a really pretty like pinky look with this. I want to do a look like inspired by the front of the palette because I think that is just so beautiful. I love it so much. My whole hand is literally just like covered in swatches at this point. But look at that nude. That is such a strong pigment. I love it. I'm so excited by it. So next we've got a Sol product. This is from Sol Body and it's a body blending sponge, which I actually need one of these so bad right now, so it's kind of come at a good time. I've just got a product from Superdrug, which is like a body shimmer, but I don't really have anything to blend it in with and I didn't want to use my hands because then my hands would just be covered in it. So this is like the perfect timing. The classic packaging is so pretty. I'm so here for it. So it says it's an oversized reusable sponge that buffs and blends shimmer easily into the skin for a streak-free, mess-free application every time, which we need. And I could not believe how big this is. Let me just put this in comparison to my beauty blender. This is my beauty blender. Yes, she needs a clean, and this is the new sponge. Like, it is massive. It is so cushiony as well. Like, it's so spongy and I love it. It feels really, really good quality. Love the shape of it. I love that it's got a little dip here. So love that. The only thing that I'm not as fond of is the fact that it's white because it's going to get mucky so quickly, so I don't want to use it because I don't want it to not look this perfect. But for an actual product, feels really, really good quality. I can't put my finger on what it feels like. It doesn't feel like a normal sponge, like it's a different kind of texture. But I love it. I'm so here for it, so I'm really, really happy about that. And then the last few bits that I've got from the mystery box are 2 different liners. So one of the liners looks to me like it belongs in the same collection as some of the other bits. So it's very, very similar to the packaging for the blush because that's got little like flowers and things like that. It's got mainly daisies on it. And then one of the lip products has got so many different like flowers and things like that on it as well. So it kind of looks like it links back to those, but it might not. It might just be similar packaging, like really pretty packaging. So this is what another one of them looks like, and I've got a feeling these are definitely from the same range. So this is what one of the lip products was. This is the So Glassy packaging. And that's what it looks like there. So you've got that kind of like pastel sky effect with the grass and the flowers, and then you've got more flowers on that side and across there. And then if we look at the lip liner packaging, it is pretty much the same. So you've got the kind of pastel sky effect, the grass with the flowers, and then you move it over and there's more flowers, and I think it's super pretty and it does give me the same kind of vibes. So I think they're from the same collection, but it doesn't actually say. And if you look at the top as well, they've both got the names in that pastel pink, which is super pretty. So this is a cream gel liner. This is also waterproof, which is really good. And we've got it in the shade Overboard. So let's open it up and look at what the shade's like. Okay, love the packaging, super pretty. So it says BFF Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. Is that a sharpener? Oh no, it just kind of comes off the bottom. Not really sure what that's about, but cool. We're gonna open it up. Oh, okay, that's really pretty. So this is like a wind up one. So you wind it up to make it work. Not make it work, but you know, to get more product out. Let's do a quick swatch. I'm running out of space, I really am. Oh, that's beautiful. It's actually not just a brown, it's got kind of like a bronzy shimmer to it. Let's see if you can see. This one in here, it's got kind of like a bronze shimmer to it. Not sure how well you can see on camera, but that's actually really pretty. I really like that. It's got a really nice kind of creamy formula as well. I feel like I'm saying creamy formula a lot in this video, but it really does. It's so nice. I really want to compare the different lip products because they just all look such pretty shades. I feel like a lot of the time when I get different lip products from brands, or you know, when I buy them and like buy the collections, they're all very pinky and very red and too much in your face, and I'm more of a nude lip girl. Like, that's the kind of thing I'm more into and thing that I think suits me more. So I'm actually so happy that now I've got 5 brand new nude lips, and they all look so pretty. This is one that I've tried, but it's nice to have like different variations on a very similar shade. I think these two are very similar, and then those two are quite similar, but I just want to try them all. I want to do swatches of all of them. Love the packaging of them too. And then the final thing that I've got is another BFF gel cream liner, but this one has got more of a graffiti effect than the other one did. So it's got like smiley faces, stars, hearts, things like that written on it. And then it doesn't actually say what shade. Oh no, it does. It was upside down. So this is the shade Wildcat. Is this from the High School Musical collection? I'm gonna have to have a look online if that's from the High School Musical collection, because Wildcat seems very High School Musical to me. Let's have a look at the shade. It would kind of fit. It would kind of fit in. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look at that colour. That is like a bit of like a gold tone with like a green tint to it. Okay, that is a pure gold. That is gorgeous. Let's try swatch it on the other hand, because that hand is very full. Oh wow, I think that is probably the nicest cream liner I've ever tried. Like the formula of that just literally glides straight onto my hand. Let's see if I can show you a bit better. It's so shiny, it's so pretty. Oh, I've just tried, and it actually blends out as well. If you want to blend it out into like a shadow, it does. It's got like really cute glitter. Okay, I love that. That's so pretty. So that is it. That is everything that I got from Colourpop. I've tried to make it quite quick for you, so it wasn't me sat here for hours on end just talking about each individual product. Tried to kind of speed it up a little bit, so I'm just, you know, having a little brief conversation, but then moving on to the next one. Really hope you've enjoyed this though. If there's any specific products you want to see in a video, make sure you do let me know, because I'm so excited to be trying all of this out. If you have any recommendations from Colourpop as well, do let me know in the comments, because so many people have said how incredible the brand is. So far what I've tried I do love, but I'm just so excited to try so many other things. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, as well as leave me a lovely little comment in that comment section down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it means so much to me. But that is it for me today, and thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!